Do you know how to use accessories? I mean, to really transform an outfit? I'm Sheila, and this is Chic and Confident, the channel for women over 50 who want to dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can instantly style outfits using accessories. You can use accessories to make a statement and reflect your personal style, or you can just use them to bring some pizzazz and fun to your outfit. So let's get started. The first way you can use accessories is to reflect your mood. So if you're feeling fun and excited, you can wear some blingy jewelry, whatever that is. Maybe it's earrings, maybe it's a belt, maybe it's a necklace, maybe it's a fun purse. Just find that fun thing for you and let it reflect your mood. If you're feeling more calm, you can use a scarf, maybe a blue. In your best blue, maybe it could be a turquoise, a light blue, a dark blue. Choose a scarf that you really like and reflect that calm mood. You can use accessories to spice up a neutral color. The neutral color might be gray, beige, black, whatever color it is or neutral that you most wear. Use accessories. It could be shoes. Wear some really contrasting shoes or a print shoe. Maybe it's a handbag you could use or a scarf. Just find some accessory that you really love and put it together with that outfit to bring some interest to it. If you have 3 colors that you like to wear, you could use a handbag or a scarf to bring all those colors together. So in this picture, you'll notice I'm wearing a red skirt, a white top, and a black jacket. And the purse has all those colors, so it brings it all together. You could also do it with a scarf and take the colors from the outfit and put it with the scarf and bring those colors together. So whatever your favorite colors are, just think of a scarf or a handbag where you could bring those together. Let's stop for a quick quiz. If you had to choose one of these handbags for this outfit, which one would you choose? Handbag 1, handbag 2, or handbag 3? Put your answer in the comment box. And the most fun way to use accessories is to express your creativity. Maybe you make your own jewelry. You could wear that. Maybe you like to spice up your wardrobe with glasses. You could wear shiny glasses or odd shaped glasses, different glasses, or maybe wear a hat, maybe some boots with some fur. Any accessory that gives you the opportunity to express your creativity. It doesn't have to be something that's trending. Create your own trend. It's also a very good idea to keep your accessories out in sight where you can see them, because if you don't see it, you won't wear it. And also, if you see them, maybe you will get an idea of how you can wear them. Or just spend some time brainstorming ways that you could wear your accessories. Anytime I see an accessory I love, I always buy it, and I find a way to incorporate it into my wardrobe. So have some fun with your accessories and maybe go through them and find something you haven't worn for a while, take it out, and then think about how you could incorporate that into an outfit. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.